going on, everybody? It is Saturday, August 3rd, and just packing the kids up. It's 9 o'clock. We're heading down to the Patriots training camp. Guys, say hi.
Hello,
What's up?
Hi.
We're going to training camp. We're going to see the Patriots. First time I've been to training camp. First time they've been to training camp. So, see how this goes.
Uh-huh.
If the car starts up, let's see. All right. What? Ooh, look at the truck on here. Is that cool? Good job.
Good job.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, go ahead, Charlotte. Oh, good job. Go slow. All right, hold on.
Whoa!
Hey, good job, Henry.
You all right, bud?
Oh, okay. You gonna go for yellow? Whoa,
Oh, almost. You get two more. Woohoo. All right, one more, buddy.
Right. Hard as you can. Good job.
Yay, there you go. Good job, buddy.
Go.
Good job, buddy. I'm sorry? See, the sun went on in the clouds. It's nice and cool. Burning, yeah. But you want to keep the hat on.
My shirt is burning. You see?
Thank you.
I mean, too.
What do you want, Shal? Cheerios?
What?
I probably should have known.
What?
I thought we could sit down there because there was a little bit of shade, but they're blocked there. Here, I guess, for people to watch. I love this